Welcome student to electrical machines lab. Okay. To the experiment on polarity marking. Okay. Why there is a necessity of polarity marking? Because if you have, for example, two transformers and there is a necessity to increase the demand at the output end and you need to connect it in parallel. At that time, the polarity of this terminal needs to be identified. Okay, so by polarity test, the moment you identify the polarity, that means which terminal it is at high potential with respect to another. Okay, so then these terminals are being connected together and brought out to be common plus terminal, right? And then this minus terminal, they are connected together and brought out to be minus terminal. Okay, so in this way, the n number of transformers can be connected. You can connect one more transformer and you can create a three-phase unit. Right, so that is the necessity of transformer. Along with that, the moment you get the marking to be plus, you can mark the instantaneous value of induced EMF direction. Its direction can also be determined. So this marking can be identified. Okay, dot marking. Right. So how to perform this test? This is single phase 230 volt AC supply. Right. This is variac. Okay, this is primary side of transformer and this is secondary side of transformer. So what we will do, primary is nomenclated as A1, A2 and secondary is nomenclated as B1, B2, right? So you can take any one of the terminal from A1, A2. So I have took it to the A2 and take any one terminal from secondary side, B2. Okay, take a small wire and short it, right? And the remaining terminals, that is A1 and B1, you connect a voltmeter. Right, so that is the arrangement. You need to have single phase supply, variac, then you need to have a transformer, short one of the terminal from primary and secondary, and the remaining terminal you connect a voltmeter. Okay, so what is the procedure? Now the procedure is, with the help of variac, for example, we will apply 100 volt to the primary end of transformer. Okay, 100 volts. Okay, now through the you can read out this voltage also. Okay, with the help of multimeter you can read out this voltage. Okay, and just observe the voltmeter reading which is happening at the unshorted side. If this reading comes out to be upscale, that means V is equal to V1 plus V2, then this particular shorted terminals will be polarity, its polarity is going to be additive. But if it is showing difference in the voltage, that means the shorted terminals will be marked as subtractive polarity. So how to mark a subtractive polarity terminal? Subtractive polarity means the terminals which you have shorted can be marked as minus minus or they can be marked as plus plus. Right? So let us mark them the first option like minus minus. Okay, for example, the moment we have applied 100 volt and this meter is reading out to be less than the 100 volt, it is reading out to be downscale, then that polarity is subtractive polarity. So mark this terminal to be minus and this also minus. The moment you identify it, the other terminals will be opposite to it. So this terminal will be plus and this one is going to be plus. Okay, so we can see here. So you can see here. So the moment you can identify this meter is reading downscale, that means for example if it is reading out to be 50 volt, that means the polarity is subtractive. So you can mark this combination. So let me take this to be plus plus. So this terminal is marked to be plus plus. So rest of the other terminals will be minus minus. Right? So see, we'll start from here, minus to plus. There is rise in the voltage, right? Minus to plus, rise in the voltage. Then this has been shorted, and from plus to minus there is drop in the voltage, है ना? यहाँ पे voltage rise हो रहा है और यहाँ पे voltage down हो रहा है ना? So this is V1 minus V2. Okay, V1 and this is minus V2. So that is why you will get V1 minus V2. Fine, so this is all about subtractive polarity. Now you have performed this test and you find that this meter reading is coming out to be upscale. That means it is V1 plus V2. That means it is V1 plus V2. So how to mark a subtractive polarity then? How to mark a subtractive polarity in that case? You can see here the additive polarity. So additive polarity will be marked as plus minus or minus plus. Okay, so you have applied 100 volt and you find that this meter reading is greater than 100 volt. It is reading out to be upscale. That means the shorted terminal you mark this combination. So let me take it to be minus plus. So this is minus plus. So if this is minus, this is going to be plus, the other terminal of primary side. If this is plus, this is going to be minus. Okay, so let us observe this. So from plus to minus, okay, so you can see here there is rise here from minus to plus, and here it is rise from minus to plus. Okay, if I start from this end, minus to plus, there is addition of voltages. Okay, V2 plus V1. Okay, so that is why you will get the addition. Right? So you can use this combination also. Similarly for subtractive, we can use this combination also. So any of the combinations can be used. So the moment you identify the polarity, you can connect them in parallel to each other to increase the output. Okay. So let us see the actual demonstration of this polarity value. Right? So see, this is single phase transformer. This is the primary terminal. Okay, A1, A2. Right? And secondary, you can see there are number of tabs been available, but we are going to use this common terminal and 110 volt. Okay, primary is 230, and secondary is 110. Okay, so common terminal and 110. This is A2, this is A2, secondary side terminals, right? This is A1, A2 and this is B1, B2, right? So see, this is single phase variac. So I will apply, I have connected a multimeter across the primary side of transformer, right? So I will apply a voltage. The rating is 230 volt, but there is no necessity. So see, primary voltage, I am taking a reference, I am applying 100 volt, okay? There is no such rule, you can go with any of the voltage, just check the primary rated voltage. So (100 volts), right? Slight, okay, 100 volt, okay. So this is V1, 100. Let us check out the secondary voltage. Secondary voltage is 49 point something, okay, 50 volt. Now what we need to see, we need to see the side which has been unshorted, whether it reads to be greater than 100 volt or less than 100 volt. Okay, so this side we have shorted, okay, lower end we have shorted it. So which are the unshorted sides? These two terminals, okay, one from primary and one from secondary. Okay, so see the reading, it is coming out to be 50 point something. Okay, so that means it is showing downscale. Okay, we have applied 100 volt, but the unshorted terminals, they are showing it to be less than 100 volt. That means the terminals which we have shorted will be marked as subtractive polarity. So adopt one convention, either you go with plus plus or you go with minus minus. So one convention you adopt and mark it, right? So this is, it is showing to be subtractive polarity. Now let us check the another terminals. Okay, if these terminals are showing to be subtractive, now we'll take the another terminals and check it out. Yes, you can see. Now again I am applying 100 volts to the primary of transformer. 100. Okay, now I have shorted this terminal. this lower terminal of primary side and upper terminal of secondary side. Last time we have shorted both the lower terminals and we got the marking to be subtractive. Now this marking should show the additive polarity. Okay, so these two terminals are shorted. So remaining terminals are this terminal and this terminal. So it should read upscale. So you can see here it is reading greater than 100 volt. It is 180 148.6 something. Okay, so the shorted terminals now need to be marked as additive polarity. So adopt one of the convention, either you go with plus minus or you go with minus plus marking, right? So that's all with the actual practical explanation. Thank you.